The 2025 Honda Fury, the legendary chopper, returns. The icon is back. Speed Riders, where we celebrate the machines that define motorcycle culture for years, riders have been waiting for the return of one of the most radical production cruisers ever built. The wait is finally over. This is the 2025 Honda Fury, the triumphant return of the factory chopper that redefined what a mainstream manufacturer could create. It's back, honoring its legendary past while embracing modern performance and reliability. Design and stance, pure chopper attitude. The 2025 Fury is instantly recognizable, capturing the extreme chopper aesthetic that made the original an instant classic. Its radical, stretched-out profile features a raked-out front end, a minimalist hardtail-style rear section, and that iconic, teardrop fuel tank. The riding position is pure chopper, feet forward, hands up, creating a relaxed, commanding posture for this new model. Honda has introduced deeper, more vibrant paint options and extensive chrome accents that highlight the bike's dramatic lines. This is a motorcycle that doesn't just turn heads, it stops traffic. Powertrain and performance, modern muscle, classic soul. At the heart of the new Fury beats Honda's legendary 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This power plant has been refined for 2025, delivering smoother throttle response and even more characterful power down low. The torque delivery is immediate and authoritative, providing that classic, lazy power surge that is perfect for cruising. The exhaust note is a deep, mellow rumble that complements the bike's relaxed character. It's an engine built for effortless miles, not lap times, making every journey a laid-back event. Chassis and technology, radical looks, refined ride. The Fury's radical looks are backed by a sophisticated chassis engineered for both style and substance. The long, raked-out front end provides the iconic chopper stance, while the hidden monoshock rear suspension delivers a surprisingly comfortable ride. The braking system is confident and capable, with modern ABS providing an essential safety net, while the Fury proudly maintains its minimalist, analog spirit. Subtle modern touches like LED lighting and a clean, digital analog gauge cluster bring it firmly into the present day without compromising its retro soul. The riding experience, the ultimate cruiser. Swinging a leg over the Fury is to embrace a different kind of motorcycling. The riding position is pure relaxation, putting you in a laid-back command of the road. The initial throttle response is smooth and effortless, with the V-twin pulling strongly from idle. The bike feels incredibly stable on the highway, its long wheelbase soaking up miles with ease. This isn't a motorcycle for carving canyons. It's a machine for dominating boulevards, for making a statement, and for enjoying the simple, pure pleasure of the cruise. Final verdict, the factory custom reigns supreme. From Speed Riders, the conclusion is clear. The 2025 Honda Fury is a triumphant and welcome return. It successfully recaptures the rebellious, custom-built spirit of the original while offering the refinement, reliability, and modern safety features that today's riders expect. For the rider who values head-turning style and a relaxed, commanding ride above all else. For the custom enthusiast who wants radical looks without the headaches of a true custom build, the Fury isn't just an option, it's the ultimate factory-built chopper. The legend is back on the road.